So yeah, guys, can you hear me? I'm sorry, there was a lag. Am I audible?
Yes.
Can you see
Yeah,
my
yeah, you are.
screen now? Now, can you see it?
Yeah.
Mm, all right. Okay. All right. So we were discussing about the reach and view. So are you guys clear, Pooja and Amrita, that what is the reach and
Yes,
what
yes.
is the view?
I'm clear.
What is the difference
Yeah, yeah,
between the
got
two
it.
of it? Okay, right.
You
Now,
were talking about one of your posts which reached around 50,000 something.
yeah, there was my
You did.
post. Are you guys? Can you guys go to my? I mean, if you go to my Instagram account, you would see that there is a, chocolate kind of post. There's a post that has a lot of chocolates, pastries, and all. There's a recent post, so that was a repost. So talking about repost now. So when we don't have any content, I'll tell you how that works. So you guys might have seen that I just have 6 and 7. I mean, I have 6,700 around followers at the moment, and recently I've
Yeah.
started to get very quick following. So whenever I open my Instagram, I would see that I'm getting 10 or 20 or 30 people. So on the daily basis, I'm getting about 100 of people following me, and these are the people who are private account. I mean, other audience. Okay, and there are some food bloggers also who are following me. So because there is one post which is recently getting viral, and are you guys on my profile? Are you seeing that? Did you find that post?
I'll just open it.
Okay, meanwhile, okay, let me show you from here. Amrita, are you seeing that? Yeah, Amrita, can you hear me?
Yes, I can move.
Okay, so Amrita, are
Is
you?
it a reel or a
No,
picture?
are you? Can you see my profile right now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is this post I'm talking
Yeah.
about, Pooja. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, so it has crossed even 50,000 likes, and it has got about 1 million of reach. Okay.
Wow, that's
Great.
great.
Yeah, and you see that my following is just 6,798, and I believe that it will be 7,000 by today or tomorrow. Okay.
Great.
So, yeah. So, what is the reason behind? Okay, I'll tell you. So, what happened? So, as I'm telling you, so recently I've been really consistent, and, I'm posting about one or two posts on daily basis, and I'm working a lot on hashtags these days. Okay. So, that's why I thought that, okay, let me help few people out whom I can. So, talking about the when you don't have content to post, then what are you gonna do? So what exactly you guys do when you don't have content? What comes in your mind? What do you think? What shall you do?
We can put the fruits, vegetables, something image of
Hmm.
that, or we can poll
Yeah, I mean, I'm talking about Amrita,
or
when you
something
I mean, when you don't
uh,
have at all anything, what do you think?
current
Okay.
issue, any current issue topic we can take and put it on story.
Yeah. But then stories are fine. Story you can put every day. You can put your post story, you can put somebody else's story. But how about when you don't have content at all? What are you going to post? Have you ever thought, कभी आपके दिमाग में आया कि मैं क्या पोस्ट करूं यार, आज तो मेरे पास कुछ है ही
No.
नहीं. What do you do?
Because I'm
Yeah.
already in advance. I'm daily
Yeah.
preparing two dishes and making their reels, and
Yeah.
I never thought about this.
Okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
like what I do, I repost other people's
Yeah.
post in my story.
Yeah.
That is what I do for stories, but I've
Yeah.
never thought for post
Yeah.
because I've already kept in advance my stock for the
Yeah.
coming post.
Getting you.
Thursday, I'm doing Throwback Thursday. On that day, I'm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, getting you. So, yeah, so talking about, when you don't have content, then what shall you do? So, here I'm going to tell you what you can do. First of all, you can repost your own previous content, okay? So that I think you guys might have not done. Have you guys ever do that?
No,
On
no,
Thursday,
no.
I'm doing it.
Every Thursday.
Throwback
Okay, you
Thursday.
have this thing for Thursday, Amrita.
Yes, yes.
What
Throwback
is it
Thursday.
about? Throwback Thursday.
Yes, I'm reposting my
Okay, content on every Thursday.
content every Thursday.
Okay. So who suggested you this? I mean, from where did you get this
My
idea? I mean, I
my
didn't know that.
daughter,
Maybe oh, lovely. Great. How old is she?
she's 12 years old and she's
Oh, wow.
managing everything.
Oh my
Okay.
She's
God,
Your
that's
social
great.
media. Wow. She handles your social media. I mean, she helps you out in
yes,
that.
she's handling.
Well, when I was 12, I didn't know what I would do.
I hope you.
I was so mindless. I mean, social media का तो उस time ज़माना ही नहीं था, but still I was so dumb.
Yes,
But these
she's
days,
teaching me how to make a reel, how to do this.
These
Ye, wo.
generation kids are very smart. Like I
very,
have a student which is
yeah,
in grade 5.
okay.
She has her gaming channel on
Oh
YouTube.
my
Like you
God.
can think of it.
Yeah,
Seriously,
my daughter
seriously.
also wants to start, but I said no, concentrate on your studies.
Yeah, but yeah, that's great. I mean, she's running her mind like a horse, and that's really great. Okay, great. So now let me share, you with this thing. First of all, if you don't have anything to post, so you can start, reposting your own post and start with the very old post. Don't repost a very recent post because it will be like कि अभी तो post किया था. It will be like very repetitive. Okay, so any of the old posts which you think, okay, this was a really good post that got very good reach, then you can repost that. A part of it, you can repost from the explore page. Now you guys know what is an explore page?
No, I don't
Mm-mm.
know.
Okay, so explore page is I think from this thing I cannot show you. Let me show you from my phone. Just give me a minute. Uh, okay. So can you guys see that? Just a minute. Just a minute. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, it's kind of blurry, but
Okay. So explore pages when you click on search, the second button from the bottom left corner. The second button, the search button. So this is the explore page when where you see everything. You getting me? The
oh,
bottom from left. I mean, but second from the left bottom. Okay, the search one. When you just click on search, you'll be able to see a lot of
yeah,
posts over
yeah,
there,
got
right?
it.
And it is more likely to show you the food post. I mean, it will show a lot of posts like fitness or fashion, MUA post, lifestyle post, and food post. But because I keep on, because I'm into food blogging and now I have a decent amount of following and I keep on liking a lot of food post, so it will only show me a lot of food posts. So this is
Food
a
post,
explore.
yeah.
Yeah, because
I've
it,
observed this.
yeah, so this is a social media's tendency. Even we talk about YouTube and Facebook, the kind of post you like, it'll show you that kind of post only, right? I hope you have observed that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so this is the explore page, and guys, also you should use hashtag explore page in every post. So that is a very very good hashtag, and it has about billion of following. So it's a very good hashtag. So this is the explore page. Go to the explore page, scroll up, scroll down, see any picture if you like, check the caption. If they have not mentioned that do not repost, then you can do that. Okay, right?
Okay.
And
yeah,
somebody, so there are three type of reposting things. Somebody will not mention anything about the repost thing. Somebody will mention in the caption that do not repost at all, then you cannot do the repost. Okay, and
yeah,
somebody will mention that, okay, if you want to repost, take permission. I mean, take permission with before reposting, right? So you can go
yeah.
to that person profile, DM him or her that, hey, I really like this picture. Yeah. uh can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you can just take the permission and can repost. So talking about this particular post, I'll show you where it is. These are the reels. So this particular picture is a repost, And you won't believe, जिसका repost किया था, that person has got only 20-30 likes, and I who reposted his her post, she actually has 1 or 2 lakh of 2 lakhs of followers. She only got about 20-30 thousand of likes. I got 50 and still counting. It is getting viral and viral. So it happens sometime because I've been really consistent these days. So Instagram is, expanding my reach. Okay. So you can repost
So
from the explore
we
page.
can repost like anyone's post which is not mentioned as do not repost.
Yeah, yeah. In the caption, and sometime you might also, need to visit that person's profile, because sometime what happens, I mean, in that picture's caption, they might have not mentioned that do not repost. But sometime what happened, that happened with me. I reposted somebody's post, but then when I reposted, I instantly got a lot of engagement, a lot of likes, and reach and everything. Then I'm getting a DM from the person, please remove my post. Please, check my bio. Then I got this understanding, okay, without, don't only just check the caption, but also go to that person's profile and check in the bio whether or not he has or she
Yeah,
has
yeah.
mentioned, right?
I've seen that.
Yeah, yeah. So that is a thing. I hope you're getting the repost funder now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like
So
every time I've observed, I can see that in the bio or in the the detail part they mention do not repost. So that's the reason I've never reposted anyone's post as such.
okay, no, so that is not the case. It's not like, if because there are, yeah. So there is this thing that 90 out of 100. See, when I just logged in, you can see that 100 likes are there and 4 people have followed me. So
Yeah.
whenever, I mean, in every half an hour or 1 hour, this is happening these days. And if you see the even the likes, these are the people. See, these are private accounts, right? So because my
Yeah.
post is getting a lot of reach, and this is the only post, this post is still getting a lot of reach. And these are just couple of minute, likes and engagement that I got. See? Right? So this post
Yeah.
is in viral state right now and is getting a lot of reach. So that could happen even with your post or repost, because normal people and those who are having private account and non-bloggers or non-public account holder, they won't see your caption and all. They will just see the picture. If they like that, they will just tag their people, like, see how yummy is that, let's go and eat this and all that. So it totally depend on the content. So content is the master, I would say, right? So your content should be good, right? So that also, I try, whatever I try to post, I make sure that whether it's my content, or whether it's a repost content, it should be very eye catchy and really attractive, because that a picture says more than 1,000 words. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter क्या caption आप लिख रहे हो, doesn't matter at all. But yeah, if the caption is crispy, and it's, if the caption is like, okay, tag all the chocolate lovers, okay, tag a foodie, tag this or that, so that also increases a little bit of engagement, but not much. But yes, the content play like a master or a king. So your content should be really eye catchy. So still I'm trying that I got a really good content, so that I got good engagement and all. So that was about that particular post. And sometime also happen कि आपके पुराने picture पे, आपके पुराने post पे, suddenly it gets to, it'll get good reach, because maybe it might have not been in notice, but some now people are seeing that and liking that. So it'll expand your reach. So that works like that. Okay. So reposting me, you can post your own previous post, you can post from explore page. Okay. And always take permission. Okay. And then also,
It,
yeah, somebody
but
saying
it
something.
happened with me. I post one reel and I got 51 or 60 plays. And
Wow.
I reposted that reel again, and and I got reach 1500, 1.5K.
Right, right, right. 1500. Yeah. So when you posted that first time, it didn't get that.
Then
Yeah.
around 50 to 60, and
Right,
the
right.
second time 1.5K.
Yeah, okay. Great that you're using this reposting funda. It really works when you have lesser content and when you're running out of content. So reposting does wonders sometime. Okay, so you can do that. Now talking about the reels. So Pooja, you post reels. I mean, I I haven't checked your profile thoroughly. So you post
No,
reels and
not
all?
much. I've only posted two reels till now. Like, I
Okay.
don't have content for reels much.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
fine. So now talking about reels again, suppose you don't have the content, but you have some previous content or previous reel. Suppose that you might have posted. Then what you can do is that again go to the explore page, or if not the explore page, just go to the reels normally. There is a reel button the right in the
Yeah.
bottom below, right? In the middle. So there, click on reel and just keep on checking whenever you see a food post. People are doing remixes these days a lot. So like this one is the reel, remix that I did, right? So you can go to this particular reel and do remix with that, right?
Okay.
So have you ever tried that, or have you ever thought that you can also do this?
No, not yet.
Okay, so this is also one of the very good engagement strategy that अगर आपके पास content नहीं है, you have tried the explore page, you have posted your own previous post. Then after that, if you have a good video of a anything that could be yours, or with a very catchy lines in that could be without music as well. So try to remix with viral reels, right? Because that also increases the reach. Okay, this I'm talking about when you don't have the content. So what strategies you can apply, what things you can do. So make remix with popular food reels, and always use trending music. Do not just randomly add any music from your end. Okay, you can do that as well if you think, okay, this particular song is going very good with this particular reel or video. You can use that, but it is highly recommended that you use trending music, because it is trending. That means it is more likely to get more reach, right? Getting my point,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah, got
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And then the last thing is that you can put stories of your own post and do the comparison. Yeah, this thing already I mentioned. Okay, so just skipping that. Now,
Can you?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You want to see something in this? You want to take a picture?
I want to know about the collaboration. What we have to do in that?
Yeah, I'm just
What
coming on
kind of
that point.
engagement?
Yeah, next point is that only. Before that, I just
Okay.
quickly wanted to finish that up. Okay. So, talking about, what thing you can monitor. So, as I've told you, you should monitor your likes and comment. Okay. Sometime what happens, and for the collaboration as well. Amrita, you asked about that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
collaboration के लिए sometime what happens, people DM you. Sometime they don't DM you, just what they do is that they comment in any of your latest picture or maybe previous post that please check your DM, or up for collaboration, up for a barter collaboration. Okay. So keep on checking your like and post always. So I'm not like saying you that every minute or second whenever you're checking your Instagram, check that out. But yeah, at least once in a day, check your notification if you have got any recent comment, because sometime for collaboration you get they ask for collaboration in the comments directly. Okay, so keep a track on that, and then keep a track on the number of views on your stories. Check what kind of questionnaire or poll is giving you good engagement. Okay, and then check the insight. As I've already told you guys, check the insight, what is the number of reach and view you're getting. So that kind of gives you a certain idea. Okay, this particular hashtag, or maybe in this particular post, I'm getting more reach or less reach because I've used these kind of hashtag. Next time I'm going to change that hashtags. Okay, and then create your special hashtags, which you guys already have. I guess I have mine, fragrance of food. Then check your other message folder, don't miss any important pings. So what happens, are you guys the part of engagement groups, by the way? Because I am in a lot of engagement groups. So have you guys joined any engagement groups or any loops?
2 days back, I joined one group,
Okay.
that international chef group.
Okay, great. So only one part, you're just a part of
That
one
is
group
for
only?
only for 24 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So after an hour, after a day, I left that group.
Okay. How
But
about
it,
you?
yeah,
Mm-hmm. All right.
by I joined that group and I 7 to 10 followers I got from there,
Right.
and lots of comments and likes also.
You got the comments and likes also from them.
Yes, that's
Okay.
very helpful.
Yeah, yeah, that's actually helpful. And how about you, Pooja? Are you a part of any group, engagement group, or have you been a part of a loop?
Like loops, I keep on like that happens every day, right? So some of
Yeah.
them I keep on joining.
Hmm.
Then I joined Global Eats. That was one of the group and International Foodies.
Okay.
But there was a lot of posts coming on it, and that keeps on,
Hmm.
sometimes it becomes really irritating when you're
Yeah, yeah.
working. Like
I know.
it's
Sometime
too much,
happens.
yeah.
I know.
So then I left, but I got a message again from International Foodies, one of a person. Like she's like, "What happened? You left the group, and
Hmm. Hmm.
anything wrong?" Or as such, I said there were too many messages coming
Too
in
many
the group.
messages. I know.
So
Whenever
she's
you
like, "You
open
can
that,
mute it."
you will. There is a bombarded of messages that you get. So I know.
Exactly.
I know. I know.
There's too much sometimes. So like I just joined it, so that's the reason it became too much for me because I'm
I
not
know.
used to all of these stuff.
I
So
totally
she told me
understand.
you can mute the group,
Yeah.
and she's also asking me if you want to go for collab. So
Hmm.
collab in the sense they have a particular,
Hmm.
like condition or something on your, like for example barbecue. So you have to
Yeah.
upload a picture of barbecue
Yeah, they
or
want
something.
some deliverables actually from your end.
Yeah. So I'm like, I'm not sure about it because I don't cook myself that much. Like I'm too busy in my work all the time. Whenever I eat food at that time, I click pictures and that is what is going
Yeah.
on.
Because
So
that's a
I
hobby
felt that,
right now, not a very, passionate kind of a thing,
yeah,
right?
exactly. Like I'm not into this like full time, like the whole day I'm just stuck
Hmm.
in this. This is not what is happening for me right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Because I work, like my teaching is going on, so I have different time zones to work in. Like Australia has different time zone,
Right.
America has different time zone,
I
India
know.
has different time zone, Dubai has different time. So I'm just stuck in all those mess, and then I get messages on Instagram, and people are just randomly, personally, texting, like,
I know.
comment, like, facial.
Hmm.
That is so
Hey, like for
irritating.
like, please
I'm like,
engage back.
why they're just
Yeah.
personally texting me
Yeah.
so much?
Yeah, I know, Pooja. I know, I totally understand. I can feel you because that used to happen with me. But, let me tell you this, Pooja, that is a sign of that you're growing, yeah, right? Because when you're growing
Yeah,
on blogging, you have to be habitual of these things. I would say rather mute the group if it is that much bothering you. But, that's a good thing because if a lot of people are messaging you back, that means that you are more likely to get more engagement, more likes, more comments, more followings. So I would say that don't leave the group, because if you leave the group, and obviously those people are not going to engage or comment on your post, right? So
exactly.
you can ignore, because what I do, so just imagine that now I'm not saying that I have a lot of following, but still 6700. If I imagine from being 100, 100 number of 100 followers and then 10, 20 followers versus now, these days, whenever I would log into my account, whenever I would just open my account, it will be bombarded with a lot of engagement accounts, a lot of personal messages, and some more of them would give me actually a threat that, hey, why not engaging back, I'm going to unfollow you. And I'll be like, okay, calm down.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I would
happens.
say, buddy, I also work. Sometimes I don't get, I really apologize, but I'll from next time. So what I do, I'll just open their account and tick, 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 tick. I'll just like and comment fatafat se, so that they don't get, offended. So that happens.
Yeah,
So
this happens.
yeah. So I know that happens with every blogger, and that's a sign that you're growing, right? So you
Yeah,
can just,
like mine is like initial. So I'm
yeah,
like,
yeah.
it is little irritating initially.
I know.
Like on the first day when I saw a loop, it is like people message just so
Messaging, hey, I
quickly. I
followed you. Why
literally
didn't
got
you
a
follow me
headache on
back?
that
I
day.
know.
I'm like, what is happening,
I know.
But now I'm used to it because I've
Yeah.
seen a lot of that happening
Yeah.
every day. So
Imagine those who have 1 million or so following. I'm imagining how many messages and threat messages they would get. Because people,
exactly.
yeah, people get offended. I mean, even a very small blogger who had just started, hey, I followed you, I liked your post, why aren't you liking mine? So that
Yeah.
happens. That happens.
Yeah.
So you have to be a little bit habitual of that if
Actually, I wanted to ask regarding looks also, like because see, one of like for example, you follow me, I
yeah,
follow you back,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
So what is happening in my account? I have more following than actual followers. I'm like,
yeah,
what
yeah.
is this happening?
Hmm.
Like I have less of like my following is 1,000,
Hmm.
but followers are not
Followers
1,000
are
yet. I'm
not
like,
even
what is this?
50% or so. Yeah. So initially
Yeah,
that happens, Pooja, because we are on a growing stage. We think like, okay, if I'm going to follow him or her, he will follow me back here. Itni courtesy to hogi. But
yeah,
sometimes what happens, they don't follow you back. So don't
they
get
don't.
disheartened. I'll tell you one thing here, Pooja and Amrita, what you guys can do. I have an application. Because I told you that initially I did a lot of experiment and everything. So I found out, okay, this thing I can do, because right now if you'll see that I have more followers and less followings, and that's also reason because now I guess 20 or 30% of the people will be there who are non-bloggers or private account holders, right? So obviously I'm not going to follow them. What I'm going to do, they don't post any food picture now. So you can download an application. Maybe you can download, can you see my phone right now? Yeah, guys, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
but not visible.
Okay,
yeah,
no
it's
problem.
not true.
You can go to Play Store, iPhone, iOS, whatever you have. You can download any application by the name Follow Followers and Unfollowers. I mean, there are applications that gives you the statistics of the number of people who are not following you. So maybe you can
Yeah.
unfollow them, right?
This has happened with me. Like,
Yeah.
I've already downloaded this app. One of a friend told me, like, she's
Mm-hmm.
also a food blogger. So she told me.
Right.
So I did this.
Mm-hmm.
Then I unfollowed the people who don't follow me. So one
Right.
of the person, like he or she, I'm not sure,
Mm-hmm.
texted me and he's like, I was the admin of the group. Why
Yeah.
did you unfollow me?
Hmm.
So
That
I said,
happens. I know.
yeah, that comes a lot of times. So this was the first time actually that happened with me.
Yeah, yeah,
So I'm like, that was by mistake. Just
Hmm.
because you don't unfollow, like, just because you don't follow me, I
Yeah,
unfollowed you.
yeah,
So he
yeah.
said, that's okay. So I said, you can follow me now.
Hmm.
I
You
said
can
this.
follow me only
So
then
he's
I will.
like, yeah, like very sweetly. I'm like, you
Yeah.
can follow me now.
I
So
can
he's
sense
like,
you're a very calm person, by the way. I mean, you get irritated from within, but you don't show that outside.
no, I don't show that. I'm a teacher, like, I
I know
need
you have to have a
patience.
lot of patience. I also have, taught student you have to be really calm. I know.
Yeah.
Then that becomes your habit.
So then I told that person, you can follow me now.
Hmm.
So he's like, I was the admin. How can I follow?
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay. I just stopped it there itself because he keeps on,
Arguing
creating the
and
loops.
back
So
and
I'm like,
forth.
fine, okay, I'll follow this person
Yeah.
for now.
That's okay, Pooja. You have to be a little bit, habitual of these things because, everything good comes with a flaw as well. So,
Yeah,
these things happen.
that's true.
But yeah, that is a funda. I mean, if the admin is saying, okay, because sometimes admin puts this condition, okay, I'm not going to follow you, but you guys are part
Yeah,
of my group. So just follow me.
mostly this happens.
Yeah. So in that case, I mean, so totally your call. See what your heart and mind says. Okay, if you feel like, because see, I only follow a person without having that perspective of he or she following me back if I like his or her content, because I'm going to learn something from him, right? From
Yeah,
him or
that
her.
that
Yeah.
was
But then
same
that
me
should
when I
not be
initially started.
forceful. Yeah, but that should not be forceful, that he'd be like, okay, follow me, only then I'll be, keeping you in my
Yeah.
group. Yeah. So that's okay. That's okay. Totally your call. If you want to follow that person, follow. Otherwise, just leave. But yeah, just be a part of engagement group, because that again gives you a lot of engagement, and engagement is, and the content is only the base for growing and for blogging. Okay.
Yeah.
So lastly, this is the application. You can down any of the application, because maybe my application would not be downloadable on your phone. So you can check on for any application, and you can download, and once in a week do that, because if you like instantly keep on following and unfollowing, then you'll be action blocked, right? So have you ever faced this action block thing?
No, but because the friend which I told you about, like she already told me initially only
Mm-hmm.
that she followed around 40 to 50 people in a day. Like she
Mm-hmm.
also did
Right.
the random stuff as you mentioned, keep on following people
Right.
so they follow you back. So
Mm-hmm.
she already told me that you don't do this, otherwise you'll be action blocked and you'll not be able to,
Hmm.
follow any other people or as such. So this
Right.
never happened
Hmm.
with me because I already knew this stuff.
Yeah, that happens initially because I didn't know. I would just randomly follow people, and then I'll get action blog. Then I would go to YouTube, see how I can get rid of it so that I can again follow. So then I thought, because
You can
initially you
really
want a
get
lot
rid
of
of it
followers.
in a short period of time.
I'm sorry.
Like you can get rid of it